In this video we will explore all the settings that can be applied to your Juji AI helper. This includes changing the name of the project, the persona, display controls, integration controls, user input controls, the conversation tempo, response control, handling user input, fallback handling, data control, and customization control. Let's start with changing the name of your project. It's unlikely you are going to stick with the default naming convention that Juji generates when you first create a chatbot from scratch or from a template. From the design menu, chatbot settings, you'll notice the name of your chatbot. To edit this, just click and type the new name. Once you've typed the name, hit return and it will be saved. Your AI helper's name can be changed at any time and is not set in stone. Setting your chatbot persona. Click to expand the persona settings. You will now be presented with a selection of personas you can choose from. As you click each, you'll see an image that users will see, plus a brief description of the persona. You will also have the option to choose a custom persona, which is what most businesses choose prior to deploying their AI helper. Here you can enter your AI helper's name, their bio, and also upload an image. Let's look at display control. Expand the display control section. The first setting, display control by numbers of words, allows you to define the minimum number of words required for the chatbot to be paused until the user clicks Next Continue button. This keeps the dialog window smaller and is especially useful when a user is engaging with your digital assistant via a small screen, such as a phone. To change this, simply click and type in the new number of required words. The next setting is the Enable Chat progress bar, and by default this is in the off position. Simply click to toggle on. This setting allows you to enable, disable the display of a progress bar associated with the chat. The Enable User Feedback during chat setting again can be toggled on or off and enables you to enable, disable response feedback from users during chat. Once toggled on, you'll be presented with two designs. Click to highlight the one you prefer and this will be presented during chat. Feedback is collected and can be analysed under the Reports tab, then Audience User Question Analytics. Integration control. At the time of creating this video, only Genesis integration is available. You will notice that this cannot be toggled on or off until the integration is enabled by clicking Enable Genesis Live Chat. User input control. From this section of the Juji chatbot settings, you can toggle on/off the spell checker. Once toggled, you can add special words to be excluded as a comma-separated list. Conversation tempo. Here you can set the turn pace in seconds, message pace in milliseconds, and refresh duration in minutes. Response control. This section is split into three elements: general settings, handling unknown user input, and fallback handling. General settings allow you to set the minimum response length, which is useful when you need enough dialogue to infer a personality type which you want to enforce. You must remember to tell the user that you require a set number of words. To change this, simply click and type in the required number of words. Handling unknown user input allows you to set the chatbot response should it not understand the user's input. You can also toggle on/off the option for a user to receive an email alert should an answer be generated for their question. Fallback handling allows the chatbot to handle a diverse range of user digressions using Juji's pre-built responses. By default, these responses are all toggled on. Should you wish, you can switch some or all of these responses off. Data control. Here you will find a single toggle allowing you to connect to data. Customization control. Here you can toggle on/off the comment under the Q&A board that displays customization text, reminding the collaborators to customize Q&As. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, reach out. Take care.